ISCAR India has broken the record today that in metal cutting industry in India, I think we have record participation of customers from across India, more than 1,000 plus customers, channel partners and delegates, they came. I think this is one of the biggest event we have hosted. They were amazed with the products that we have launched for the industry. They were really happy the way we have programmed this event in a big scale.
We have an association with ISCAR since 1992. We were the first visitors to their Teflon plant in Israel, and we had invited Mr. Jacob Harkus and Eitan Wertheimer to IMTEX 1992, and that is how our association started with IMTEX. We have been using their innovative tools since then, 35 years now, and they are just marvelous.
Basically, the cutting tools and the technology is playing an important role for the cost reduction, cost optimizations, and how to survive in the market. So that is the main factor, and how to optimize the cost. So with the help of this platform, definitely we'll come out with the solution, and we have the long good relations with ISCAR, and definitely we'll take a support from ISCAR to collaborate in proper way, and we can utilize that collaboration for the optimum cost reductions for our processes to survive in the market.
This seminar explains about the smart cutting tool solutions and inside details. Looking forward for the deep discussion and productivity improvements. Special thanks to Mr. Jacob, who explained energetically about the detailed solutions, the development, the tooling they are doing.
This is going to set a benchmark in the industry, and we are really thank you for our customers for taking their time. It is an honor and privilege to host them. I think this will just start, and we will ensure that the innovation never stops. Thank you so much.